Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review KWHero. So KWHero is an all-in-one SEO tool. It can do keyword research for you, and once you gather some keywords, you can run content analysis on those keywords. From the analysis, you will get a full guideline about how to write your content, and by following that, you can write a content that is going to be SEO friendly. And KWHero also has their own content writer that is powered by GPT-4. A great news is KWHero is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is $600, but at Appsumo you are getting 80% off, which means the lifetime deal price is only $69. And as you can see, there are already 8 reviews. All of them are 5-star reviews. KWHero is an alternative to Ahrefs, ClearScope and SEMrush, but you will soon understand that KWHero is also an alternative to NeuronWriter. Now let's have a look at all the plan and features. So there is competition analysis. You can build AI optimized outline. It is powered by GPT-4. There is SEO and NLP optimization. You can also pass AI detection if you write using KWHero, and also a lot of other useful features. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So on the tier 1, it is going to cost $69. You will get 5 AI credits, 50 content analysis, 10 content plans, 100 keywords per content plan, 50 keyword lookups, 500 keywords per lookup, and 10 SERP lookups. And if you want to know how these credits are going to work, let me show you that. So here is a breakdown of the credit. Now back to the tiers, there is another feature. If you notice, sharing and collaboration. So this is for your team members. If you add your team members, they can only read your files, read the content, read the keyword research on this tier 1. But if you purchase the tier 2, the team members will get an additional permission, which is edit. So they can make changes to your content, which means collaborate on your content. There is also license tier 3, license tier 4, and license tier 5. So if you want to buy KWHero on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard of KWHero. After you log into KWHero, you're going to get this dashboard. And on the top right side, you can see your credits, the usage statistics. And currently we are in this keyword research section. There's also another section called content creation. So first I'm going to show you how this content creation works. So now we are in this content planner. Now let's add a new plan. For example, this is going to be plan 1, and then you have to select the content plan country and also the language and click on add. So as you can see on the left side, our content plan has been added. Now on this plan 1, we can add some keywords and run content analysis on those keywords. So let's add one, click on add keywords. Now I have to provide my main keyword. For example, my main keyword is going to be best gas change sauce. Now let's click on this. So as you can see, now our keyword is here. I can also bookmark this keyword. I can run the content analysis. I can add notes. I can also change the label for this keyword. I can also see the date when it was last updated. Now I can also share this content plan with my team members. So click on this and then I have to click on yes. Now I can also allow others to create content analysis on my account. I can select yes if I want, and I can also set the amount of credits that are allowed for each content analysis in this content plan. So let's click on yes and let's just update it. And as you can see, now I can share this content plan with my team members so that we can collaborate together. So back to the content planner. Since we have added a keyword, let's run a content analysis. So for that, I have to click on this plus icon. The analysis has started. It is going to take some time. Once the content analysis has completed, you will get this icon. So now let's go to the content analysis. So now we are on this content editor and we can now start writing our content according to the analysis that we got from KWHero. So as soon as I start writing, I will get a content score, and the content score is obviously based on my article, but it is also based on the SERP, which means my competitors according to this keyword. And I can select or unselect which competitors I want for analysis from this. So you have to click on this icon. As you can see here are all of my competitors. So I can also select or deselect any competitor I want. Since this Reddit, YouTube, these are not exactly my competitors. These are already deselected. And I can also adjust this. I can select another one if I want. And on this competitor selection, you can also see the word count of your competitor, the domain power, and also the score, which means the score that they have got according to KWHero. Other than the content score, on the right side, you can also see the content structure, readability, the NLP terms, all of the terms, and also the NLP terms for only headings. You can also see the content structure given by the analysis. So you have to use 2400 words to 2900 words for this article, for this keyword. You can also see the amount of headings your content should have, the amount of paragraphs, images. You will also get readability analysis. You can also add secondary keywords if you want. And at the end of the page, you will get the NLP terms, which means the terms that you should use on your article. So here are all of the terms that you should use on the heading of your articles. And here are all of the content terms, which means these terms should be on your article. And you can also see how many times you should use them. So this best gas chainsaws, you should use it 2 to 3 times. And then for this term, you have to use it 1 to 2 times. So as you can see here are all of the content terms. If you have used NeuronWriter, you will find that this is very similar to that tool. Now let's go back to the top. And there is another very useful section, which is this outline builder. So there are 2 options. You can build your outline manually. So as you can see, H1 is already added, the main keyword. Now you can also add another heading. So H2 has been added. And if you click on this H2 and H3 has been added. But what if you want to add another H2? So for that, you have to click on this H1 insert heading. So as you can see, another H2 has been added. So I can add another H3 on here. So basically, if you want an H2, you have to click on the insert heading of H1. And if you want an H3, you have to click on the plus icon or the insert heading of H2. Now you can also add an H3. For that, you have to click on the insert heading of H3. So as you can see, the H4 has been added. And a great feature on here is that for each heading, you can set how many words you want to use. So for example, for this H2 heading, I want to use 500 words. Let's delete all of these headlines. And if you do not want to make your outline manually, you can also leave that task to the AI. For that, you have to click on this Create AI Outline. So as you can see, according to the main keyword and the competitors that we selected, we have got an outline using AI. You can see the full outline on here. So now we can start writing our content according to this outline. But KWHero can even write that content for you. For that, you have to go to this AI content writer. So now you can see the word count, and you can also change some writing options. So you can change the tone of your voice. You can change the writing level. You can also set the purpose for your content. You can also change the voice and perspective. So if you want your content to be written in first person, second person, or third person, you can select that from here. There are also some other options such as this NLP optimization. So if you want to get a high score on here, on this content score, you can simply enable this NLP optimization, which means you have to make sure it is set to yes. So this way, all of the NLP keywords, the relevant NLP keywords, they are going to be on your content, and that is why the content score is going to be high. You can also scrap fresh content, but keep in mind, it can sometimes produce unexpected results or out of context content, which means the content may be irrelevant if you set it to yes. You can also pass AI detection. So there are a lot of AI detectors currently on the market. If you want those articles to pass those AI detectors, you can simply set it to yes. And then you can also provide some additional guidelines for writing to the AI. Once you have adjusted all the settings, just click on write content. So our content is ready, and as you can see, we have got a content within 1 minute, and the content has over 2500 words. It has 54 headings, and the best part about this content is that it is scored very high. The score is 83. So if you remember, on this AI content writer, I enabled this NLP optimization. That is why the content has all of the related NLP terms, and that's why the content rating or the score is very high. So here's our content. You can also see the readability analysis and also the NLP terms that are used and also the content terms. So a great feature on this content editor is that you can directly publish your content to WordPress. For that, you have to click on Publish to WordPress. Now let's explore the keyword research feature of KWHero. So let's provide a keyword here, and then I have to choose the country and then click on find the best keywords. So now we have got a lot of keyword ideas or relevant keywords to that one single main keyword. And on this section, you can see details about all of those keywords, the main keyword as well as all the relevant keywords. So you can see the CPC, you can see the search volume, you can also see the keyword difficulty. And if you want to export all of these keywords, just click on export all. You can also select some certain keywords and then only export those. And on top, as you can see, there are a lot of filtering options. So you can provide some words to include on your keyword list. You can exclude some keywords. You can provide the minimum and maximum monthly search volume. You can set the cost per click, the keyword difficulty. And a great feature is you can also cluster keywords based on their similarities. So once you enable this clustering, you can also change the sensitivity of the topic clustering. And once you select a keyword, on the right side, you can see the search trends, the difficulty, the profitability score. You can also see the SERP, which means your competitors, their domain power, and also URL power. And for example, now I want to add some keywords to the content planner in order to write content on them. For example, I want to add this keyword. So I have to select that and then I have to click on add to content plan. So now I can create a new content plan for this keyword, or I can also add the keyword to an existing content plan. For example, I have this plan 1. So let's add the keyword to this plan 1. So now if I go to this content creation and this content plan 1, as you can see, this keyword has been added. And since I have added this keyword from the keyword research section, I can also see the volume, search volume, and also the keyword difficulty. So just like this first keyword, I can also run an analysis, content analysis to write a content on this keyword. Overall, I think KWHero is an excellent tool. It has keyword research feature. So by just giving a single keyword, you can get a lot of keyword ideas. You can see details about those keywords such as the search volume, CPC, and also the keyword difficulty. You can also see the competitors of certain keywords. You can see the search trends, the profitability score. There are also very advanced filtering options on keyword research feature. And obviously, there is also content analysis of KWHero that is also amazing. And I think KWHero definitely has the potential to compete with NeuronWriter. So if you want to buy KWHero on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all of these features, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. There is also tier 4 and tier 5. So if you are new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from AppSumo Credits Gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.